Porsche here, 911. When we put the water on, you can see how it's beading off like anything. This has had a ceramic coating on it before. Nothing's sticking to it basically, but the paintwork's in a mess as well, so we've got to get the ceramic off, get back to the paintwork and then sort this out. Taking a look at the paintwork on the Porsche 911 4S here, you can see all the swirl marks and holograms there that's going on in the paintwork. Some bad blemishes round here as well. This has also got a ceramic coating on that we're going to have to polish off and then get back to the paint, so then we can get rid of all them defects, get the more luster into the paintwork and turn this car back into a complete mirror. And then once we've done that, we shall be applying a top end ceramic coating then to protect this for years to come. Check out the width of them tyres, eh? So we'll get these wheels all cleaned up now, ceramic coated, then that's boxed off, out the way with. This is what I'm saying about having the car detailed in a proper car detailing studio. We can examine all the paintwork up close and see what's going on. See the light scratches in the paint, and with it being a light coloured car as well, light grey, you're not going to necessarily notice this as much as say a black car. But when we move here, you can see. Now the other problem what we've got is we've got a ceramic coating that's been applied to the paintwork on this car as well, and we've got to polish that off, alleviating these defects without diminishing the top coat of lacquer a great deal. So then we're keeping the luster and everything with the finish and the coating, so this car can be detailed in years to come. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start doing the machine polishing on this section here, get rid of these defects in the professional way, go to the ceramic back, get back to the paintwork, and then we'll have another look at it once I've done this. Tip for you as well, if you're doing machine polishing, that type of thing, in a studio or whatever, always have the correct safety goggles and respirator on while you're doing this. So just checking the panels here. So we've done the top of the door section as well. Round here the roof's all done and the pillars. So now we're going to be moving on to the bonnet on the front of the vehicle. Right, so now I've done the first stage of machine polishing on the bonnet here. You can see the depth of reflections in the paint. No swirl marks, scratches in there now, they've all gone. So we're going to lift the bonnet up now, and then we're going to concentrate on the front wings, the front of the bumper, and then we can lift the car up on the lift to do the side panels and that type of thing. So now we've finished the two-stage machine polishing on this fantastic Porsche here. 2010 model this, so this is 13 years old now. Also, there is no coating on this car whatsoever at the moment. So let's go round and take a look and see how this looks. Did as well, polished all the wheels up inside and the faces, ceramic coated them as well, fully inside and out, so they're fully protected now for the future. Really good ceramic coating this too, not like your standard ones that's in the marketplace today. This is going to last for about at least 3 years on the wheels. It's quite important too, having the lift here in the studio, as we can raise and lower the car accordingly to remove the wheels, get to the access to all the calipers, that type of thing. But not only that, most importantly, when we're doing machine polishing, as you've got to lean across the certain panels and that type of thing, plus also doing polishing on door faces here, face on, so we can see where all the defects are and what we're removing. What I did on the fantastic Porsche here, we removed all the wheels, fully ceramic coated them front and back, and also the calipers too. Same with the rear wheels here as well, and then we fully dressed the tyres on the vehicle. Overall, this car needed a 2-stage machine polish to get rid of all them swirl marks and scratches, all the paintwork. Treated all the vents as well underneath. Same with where the lights are, they've all been machine polished up as well. The gloss level now is truly outstanding on this car. With the ceramic coating too, we can also give you a guarantee, so if you like any further information on this, don't hesitate, give us a call. As I say, it's always about the finish here at Top Car Detailing. Well, thanks once again for watching that short video on our YouTube channel. And if you like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. Remember, it's always about the finish and the presentation, turning cars round from a swirled up mess back to a mirror finish. And also too, we have got all the correct lifting equipment in the studio here to lift the car up, as you would have seen in the video, to take the wheels off, get to the wheel arches, the calipers and everything, so the job is getting done in a professional manner. Anyway, I'm going to have to go now, but if you'd like any further information on any of our car detailing services, don't hesitate, give us a call. Check out my website at www.topcardetailing.co.uk, and I'll be back soon with more nice cars. Catch you later.